complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo to this listening class where we hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great. I am ready to listen.
First, we will listen for vocabulary, everyday objects. Second, we will practice grammar. What questions?
I like real conversations because the words feel easier to remember.
Exactly. So listen for useful words, simple what questions, and natural answers in the main dialogues. Ordering at a cafe. Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Good morning. What size do you want?
Small, please.
What is your name?
It is Anna. Can I also have a cup of water?
Sure. Do you want it here or to go?
Here, please. Is that table free?
Yes, that table is free.
Great. What is the price?
It is $3. Your coffee and water are ready.
Buying school supplies. Excuse me. Where are the notebooks?
They are on this table.
Thanks. What color is this notebook?
It is blue.
I need a pen too.
The pens and pencils are near the books.
What is the price of the notebook and pen?
It is $5.
Great. I will put them in my bag.
Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
Finding lost things. I can't find my phone.
What does it look like?
It is black, and it is in a red case.
Is it in your bag?
No, my bag is empty.
What are these on the table?
They are my keys and my wallet.
Is your phone near the door?
Wait, I see it under the chair.
Great. What do you need now?
I need my key.
It is next to your wallet.
Checking in at a hotel. Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Sarah Lopez.
Here is your key. Your room is 204.
Thank you. What floor is it on?
It is on the second floor, near the elevator.
In the room, the lamp is not working.
I'm sorry. What is the problem exactly?
The lamp near the bed is off, and the clock is wrong.
I will send someone now. Please keep the door open.
At the library.
Hello. I need a book for English class.
What book do you need?
A beginner book, please.
Here are 2 books on the table.
Can I sit here and read?
Yes, this chair is free.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, but please use your pencil in the notebook only.
What time does the library close?
It closes at 6 today. Asking at the bus stop. Excuse me, what bus goes to the city center?
Bus 12 goes there.
Thank you. What time does it come?
It comes at 9:15.
Let me check my watch. It is 9:10.
Good. You have 5 minutes.
Is this your bag on the bench?
Yes, it is my bag. Thank you.
What do I pay on the bus?
You pay $2 with a card or phone.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear simple English in useful situations.
Yes, I noticed the everyday objects and the what questions.
That is the goal, to understand short answers and connect them to real life.
I feel more ready to listen outside the classroom.
Wonderful. Goodbye, Nexo. And goodbye, everyone.